Kalpakam. He's idiot or what, Ray? How he did like that? Suddenly, how this happened? Huh? Simply one dog will come. He's okay now or not? What doctor told? To take rest. Fully damaged. Okay, so I'll start the class here. I'm sharing the link first. Yeah, that's not good sign. So, okay, what should we do? Hmm? Huh? Yeah, I posted. I was not about to go. Anish, good evening. Good evening. I didn't expect it. That Sadhna was telling, Sanjana, tomorrow assignment submit. Don't forget. I was not expecting me to go there, but Sadhna told. I also felt like one time I should wear sari. Long back I did not go. So okay, fine, I went. Sanjay, good evening, beta. Now look here, today's scalar dot product, many important questions we are going to handle. Please kindly solve these questions. It's good for you only. See, I'm giving you some technical questions. You need to handle these questions very carefully. So question is, have patience and solve it carefully. So question is, if where that side fan you switch off, sound is, because classroom film is sound will not come, but here sound is coming. A vector plus B vector plus C vector equal to 0 beta, 0 vector. Okay. Now what they're telling, magnitude of A vector is equal to 3, magnitude of B vector equal to, that side fan you on for you. Okay. For you yourself you on, magnitude of B vector is equal to 5 and magnitude of C vector is equal to 7. Now what you need to find is, find the angle between A vector and B vector. You have to find angle between A vector and B vector. So the options are, this will be coming as MCQ format or it can come as any other format. So here angle between A vector and B vector, how you are going to find angle between A vector and B vector? Your options are pi by 6, pi by 2, pi by 3 and pi by 4. Done? Come on, start solving the question. So these are the options. Please kindly say in your respective group, class started, this is not good. Want to do it as fast as possible. So angle between A vector and B vector they are asking. That's the most important thing. Angle between A vector and B vector. So very technically, pi by 3. Okay, Sanjana is telling the answer is coming as pi by 3. Let's see, option is C. Sanjana is telling that the option is C. Others, anybody else solved the question? Do you think the answer option is C? Come on, check this one out. Now I'm going to solve the question. Let's see how to solve the question, because we too don't know, but they have given every format in magnitude part. So when magnitude sections is coming, how to handle the question? Now look here, beta. We can write A vector. Now look here. We can start here with, check this one out. A vector plus B vector plus C vector equal to 0. Done. We will shift this one this side. It will become A vector plus B vector is equal to minus C vector. Take magnitude on both sides. Understood? So here it is coming A vector plus B vector. Now square it. So magnitude part will always become what? Positive only. So it will become C vector whole square. Now when you are writing this one, you know the formula. It will become magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square, because we have already proved, plus 2A vector dot B vector is equal to magnitude of C vector whole square. This is the formula. Yes, you say Saurus to join as fast as possible. I hope you might have understood this one. So here, after writing this, you know magnitude of A vector value is given as 3. So 3 square plus magnitude of B vector value is coming as 5. So 5 square plus 2 A vector dot B vector. What is the formula of A vector dot B vector? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos theta, and then C vector is coming as 7 square. So 2 magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector, cos theta equal to 49 minus 9 plus 25. Okay. So here it is coming as 2 into magnitude of A vector is 3, magnitude of B vector is 5, cos theta equal to 49 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it is coming as 34. So now cos theta is coming as 9 minus, it is coming as 5, 15. Now here 2 into 3 into 5. So this cancel. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So cos theta is equal to cos pi by 3. So theta is coming as pi by 3. Absolutely correct. Yes, Rohit, Jayashri, this is a very important question. This question came in exam beta. The answer is coming as 3. That is coming as pi by 3. Yes, solve this question. See with what perfection I have solved. Here magnitude formula. So if somebody will ask you from way here how I wrote this, because this is the formula. Magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector. In previous video, if you will see, I have derived it. It is coming as magnitude of A vector whole square plus magnitude of B vector whole square plus 2A vector dot B vector. So this is exactly I have derived it. This is I have derived it in the previous class. Now the answer is coming as theta is equal to pi by 3. Tanish, I didn't got answer. Only Sanjana has given the answer. I really wish other children also to give the answer. Now another important question to be given by CBSE. Done? Good evening, beta. Good evening, everyone. Please be present in the session and start solving the question. Now, I'm going to another question. The another question is, see one technical part. I'm fine, thank you. So now listen, beta. The technical part we are going to discuss and solve. Shall we start the work, please? Ready? Now we are going to start our work. The question is, for any two vector, A vector and B vector, right? For any two vector, A vector and B vector, for any two vector, note down A vector and B vector, prove that for any two vector A vector B vector, you need to prove that magnitude of A vector plus B vector is less equals magnitude of A vector plus magnitude of B vector. Understood? So it is also called as triangle inequality. I don't know. So this is called as triangle inequality, and this is NCRT question. So one time we are going to solve this question. Are you all ready for solving this question, please? Come on, start solving this question. How we are going to prove it? Yes, try this one out. Try this one out. So the first important thing is we know that if we will square it, magnitude part is, this square is there. So this part will be coming as this section square plus, this is already derived and we have derived this part, to A vector dot B vector. So beta, this already we have derived. In the previous class, we have derived this one, na beta. Now we can also write this, we can take it as equation 1. But beta, this same equation, it can also be written like this now. This section, sorry, this is modulus. Then it will become this whole square plus modulus of B vector whole square plus 2 modulus of A modulus of B cos theta. Because we use the formula, na? We use the formula of A dot B. So that means A vector dot B vector is equal to modulus of A modulus of B cos theta. We just noted this. So what is the specific difference between these two? Can anybody tell me? Come on children, tell me what is the specific difference between these two? Now we need to understand one thing. If cos theta will be less equals 1, cos theta will be less equals 1 for all theta. Understood? For all theta. So definitely either, what is the maximum value of cos theta? The maximum value of cos theta is 1 or less than 1. Correct na? Because a square plus b square, whatever values are there, the angle can give us maximum positive value. Got it? So cos theta angle value can be maximum coming as 1 or less than 1. Note down. So cos theta maximum value is coming as 1. So that means what we can assume that, okay, this one and this cos theta, if you will write, it will be less equals. It will be less equals 2 times of modulus of A and B, because here the value can be less than 1. It can be less than 1. So if cos theta value can be maximum, नहीं बेटा नहीं पता. So if cos theta can be maximum 1 or less than 1, so if it is less than 1 means the entire value will become less, because this part will become less means fraction will come. Then if fraction is coming means it will reduce the value, so it will become less than modulus part. Correct na? Now we will add modulus whole side. So that means what beta, modulus of A square plus modulus of B square we will add. So addition of same thing will not change anything. Done. So when we have written like that, so that means it is exactly coming as what format? This part will come in which format? This part will come in format of magnitude of A plus magnitude of B whole square, because this is what? This is magnitude of A and B whole square using equation 1. This was our equation 1 na? So when you wrote cos theta, this part is exactly equal to this one. So we wrote here. Understood? Now it is coming simple A square plus B square plus 2AB formula. So it is coming modulus of A whole square. So if modulus of A plus modulus of B whole square. Note down, modulus of A and modulus of B whole square. So this side square and this side square will get cancelled beta. So it will become this modulus is less equals modulus of A plus modulus of B. In simple tone we have finished it out. अब मैं कैसे याद करूँ तुम्हारा नाम? अगर कुछ नाम बताओगे तब ना, कुछ मेरा मेमोरी ऐसे ही खराब है. Come on, beta. So this is exactly based on the technique what we have solved. We started with modulus of a square plus b square plus this formula we have written, a vector dot b vector part we have written this one. Got it? Only one thing we said, this part, that cos theta is less equals 1. And then we multiplied this and this in cos theta part. Correct now? So our main basis was cos theta less than 1. And in that first we multiplied this. Got it? And then we added this part and then whole square section came. So this part is coming less equals this. That's it. Only this part. That's good. No. Come on, do it, beta. Now we will do one question which came in CBSE. Dot products was important. Now we will do cross product. Then very simple sections are left. Now we are going to start. Is it done? Wrote down. Just beta in this now we did this one, multiplied both sides. Then this part added means this will give you this part whole square. And this is a square plus b square plus 2ab means modulus of a plus modulus of b whole square. Now this is square outside and this is square outside will get cancelled. Then same part is coming. Okay. Shall we start the question, beta? Now, one question is there. It came in CBSE 2013, and this type questions are very different, and this should be done by you. This you need to understand. Some of the questions of dot products are left. I really wish you people to solve it. And after solving these questions, we will go to cross product. So next class we are going to go to cross product. But before that, I really wish you people to solve these questions. Okay, so tomorrow from next class, we are going to solve cross product, but today dot product part we are going to finish. So next question, note down please. Write this question, if A vector and B vector, if A vector and B vector are two vectors, okay, A vector and B vector are two vectors such that A vector and B vector are two vectors such that, now this part just now we have proved. So magnitude of A vector, A vector plus B vector is equal to magnitude of A vector. They have given. Understood? So this is actually given. Now you need to prove that, to prove that 2A vector plus B vector is perpendicular to B vector. Let's check this one out. We need to prove this one, that they are perpendicular. Come. They are perpendicular. We need to prove this part. We need to prove these vectors that they are perpendicular. Come on, go for it, please. Now, beta, what is given and how we are going to utilize it, just check one time. What is given to you? They told that this part is given. That means now we are going to check which is given to you. They have given that A vector modulus plus B vector is equal to this. This is given to you. Understood? Huh? Now what you need to prove? This 2 is perpendicular. Got it? So first whatever is given, we are going to use it. So first work is squaring both sides. Because without square we cannot get anything. Squaring both sides. The moment you squared it, what you are getting? You will get A vector plus B vector whole square is equal to modulus of A vector whole square. Now split this one beta. It will come, what is the formula for this? Magnitude of this whole square, magnitude of B whole square plus 2 A vector dot B vector is equal to modulus of A vector whole square. This and this will get cancelled. So now we came into conclusion that B vector square plus 2A vector dot B vector is equal to 0. We will take it as equation 1. And how we have written? We know the formula. Magnitude of this whole square is equal to magnitude of A vector whole square plus magnitude of B vector whole square plus 2 A vector dot B vector. So this is exactly what we have proved. Now next part. So once you have done till here, now the next section is what is given to you. Perpendicular, that is 2A vector plus B vector dot B vector is perpendicular. To prove that this is perpendicular. So perpendicular means dot product will be equal to 0. Understood? So if this vector is perpendicular to B vector, their dot product will become 0. So this is to prove that this dot product is equal to 0. So can we take LHS side beta? What is our LHS side? Our LHS side is 2A vector plus B vector dot B vector. Done? Now what we will do? This will multiply 2A vector dot B vector plus B vector dot B vector. Now 2A vector dot B vector will be as it is. B vector dot B vector formula is what? Modulus of B vector whole square. Because just now we learned na A vector dot A vector is modulus of A vector whole square. Now this is equal to what beta? Check this one. This was equal to 0. So here also we will write equal to 0. Which equation we used? Using equation 1. That's it. Proved. And this equal to RHS proved. Simply we have done our work and solved the question. Did you saw what I have done beta? Modulus of A vector plus B vector is equal to modulus of A vector. We did only squared, cancel and we kept as it is. Then what was given? We had to prove that they're perpendicular. Perpendicular means their dot product will become equal to 0. So to prove that dot product is equal to 0, we did the multiplication and it is exactly coming equal to what beta? It is exactly coming equal to 0. Proved? Simple na? Please note down. Come on, try and solve these questions. After this, we'll go for next question. This question, what I'm going to give, this question, what I have given came CBSE 2013. Wow. Old questions are always gold questions. Now we are going to solve question 2020. Now, beta, the question which I am going to give now came in CBSE 2020. Okay. So now let's solve this question which came in CBSE 2020. Check this one. So this question came in CBSE 2020. Okay. Question is, please note down everyone. Cool way solve the question. No need to be in hurry burry. No need to just take too much of this. You have to find the angle between two unit vectors, A vector and B vector. Find the angle between two unit vectors A vector and B vector such that one more thing is given, modulus of 3A vector minus B vector is also a unit vector. It is also a unit vector. So this is exactly what they are asking. So this is, sorry, modulus don't put, they have told this is unit vector. I don't know, this will write. We'll do it. Modulus part will not put. We'll see this is a unit vector. This is also given as a unit vector. This is also given as what, beta? A unit vector. Now what we are going to do? We know that the magnitude of unit vector is coming as 1. This is a very important fact. The magnitude of unit vector is always 1. So here, if A vector, here A vector and B vector are unit vectors. What they are? Unit vectors. So its magnitude will be equal to 1 and B magnitude will also be equal to 1. And this is also a unit vector. So 3A vector minus BA vector is also magnitude is exactly equal to 1. This is the most important thing given. So once this is given means magnitude part is given means now we know, now one simple jump we know what we can do here, because no other scope is there means we will square both sides. Got it? So once you square, what you are going to get, beta? Modulus of this part whole square plus modulus of this section minus 2 into 3A vector dot B vector is equal to 1. Note down. But if we will do like this, magnitude value is not given. So we need to take it out. Magnitude value is not given. What should we do? Magnitude value, nothing is given. So shall we do one more way? Because magnitude values are not given here. So we have one more way. You know what is the one more way? We can convert like this because magnitude square is there now. So magnitude of A vector whole square is equal to A vector dot A vector. We can do like that also because there no values are given. We need to prove that is a unit vector. Okay. So angle between that two unit vectors we have to find. So angle finding means we can do like this. This modulus whole square is equal to 3A vector minus B vector dot 3A vector minus B vector. Done. Now here what next work we can do? It will become 3 3s are 9 A vector dot A vector. Then here minus 3 A vector dot B vector. Now beta minus. No, they have already given angle between two unit vectors. You have to find angle between A vector and B vector, and A vector and B vectors are unit vectors here. They are what? Unit vectors. So their angle you have to find. So two vectors are there. What are they? A vector and B vector, and their unit vector. But the most important thing here is the magnitude of unit vector is 1. So only I wrote here. See, since A vector is a vector, unit vector, and B vector is also a unit vector, so its magnitude is coming as 1. So here its magnitude is coming as 1, na, b vector. And they told that this is also a unit vector. And if that is also unit vector, its magnitude will also come as equal to 1. And from there only I did the squaring. Understood? From which part I did the squaring? I wrote here squaring both sides. Without squaring, we can't do anything. So we did squaring both sides. So once we did squaring both sides, the magnitude of a vector whole square will be coming that much part. Correct now? Now what we can do here is better. So this part is written. So 3 3 is a 9. But here it will come minus 3a vector dot b vector. And then minus into minus plus b vector dot b vector. Now here only the magic is starting. This part will become what beta? Tell me. This is what? 3a vector minus b vector whole square. Done. Now here it will come as what? Again I am writing 3a vector minus b vector whole square. This will become 9 magnitude of a vector whole square minus 6 a vector dot b vector plus magnitude of b vector whole square. Now beta this is unit vector now. So its magnitude will become 1. So 1 equal to unit vector value is also coming as 1. So 9 ones are 9. Now here minus 6 a vector dot b vector and here value is also coming as 1. So shall we cancel this one and this one? So this will shift that side. It will become minus 9 is equal to minus 6 a vector dot b vector. Shall we shift this one? Minus 9 by minus 6 is equal to a vector dot b vector. So this minus minus cancel. It is coming as a vector dot b vector is equal to 3 by 2. Correct, na? So once getting 3 by 2, now we can find angle between them. What is the value for finding angle between them, beta? Formula for finding angle between them, this will become magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector, cos theta is equal to 3 by 2. But A vector magnitude is what? Unit vector. So again 1 and here 1. So cos theta is equal to 3 by 2. So theta is equal to cos inverse 3 by 2. Theta is coming as cos inverse 3 by 2. Check this one out. Rather than getting 3 by 2, but options are not 3 by 2, options are root 3 by 2. A monkey, wait, wait. Options are not given. Here value we cannot substitute. Wait. Because they have already given 1 now, so we cannot put there. Option is not this one. 4 options are given. In 4 option MCQ, that part is not there. So we can write it as no, nah, we can do like this also. This is factorize can we do because we are not getting that value. 9 is there means if factorization you will do, 9 can be written as 6 root 3 root 3. Yes, root 3 and root 3. 6 part you can split now. Take this as, we will take this like 9x square minus 6xy plus y square. Now you split this, factorize it. 9x square. When x you are taking it as modulus of a and y you are taking as modulus of b because options are not root 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is not there. So I am trying to factorize it because substitution means directly answer is coming. One small work we can do. 9 is there, 6 is there. Factorize this one. If you are factorizing it, so split is not coming. Now 9 is giving you, 9 can be given as 3 and 3. Check this one out. It is giving you that part, no? Yes, Rohit. Yes, beta. Yeah, that's what I'm doing, Rohit. I'm just trying to factorize it because the factor part is not coming. Anything is problem anywhere, Rohit? Anything I did? Our answer is correct only, na? Yeah, after that also same answer is coming. Cos inverse 3 by 2. Check only. Because why? Because here x is equal to root a, root b also you are taking. It is coming in perfect square. 3x whole square minus 2 into 3x into y plus y square. Coming correct only, yaar. So this is coming 3a whole square b. We are correct only. Because see here, it is coming same part now. This section modulus means modulus of a square, 3a square part. Zero, correct only. Our answer is correct. No, beta, our answer is absolutely correct. It is coming as what? If you substitute also same thing is coming. So cos theta is equal to how much value we got? 3 by 2, no? 3 by 2. So theta is equal to cos inverse 3 by 2. Our answer is absolutely correct. Yeah, correct only. Who confused me? Yes, answer is absolutely correct. See, previous also we did na beta. Previous also we did correct now. 1 1 1 we substituted. Once we substituted here, these values are coming as 1. So this is coming as 1 is equal to 9 minus 6 magnitude of A, magnitude of B cos theta plus 1. So this and this got cancelled. Absolutely correct answer. 6 cos theta is equal to 9. So cos theta is equal to 9 by 6. So theta is equal to cos inverse 3 by 2. Absolutely correct. Yes, Rohit, our answer is absolutely correct. Yeah, someone confused me. Yes, answer is correct only. Yeah. Just substituted, yeah, modulus value substituted. Factorization also, if you will solve, same answer is coming. By factorization also, same answer is coming. Shall we go for next question? Tripel Kundam students are having class now, so only they did not join. We'll go for next question. This is absolutely correct. Yeah. Shall we go for next question? Okay, don't down, no down. We are going to solve one very good question. Let's see. Done, right? Done, finished. Right? The scalar product, try this question. The scalar product of the vector of the vector the scalar product of the vector a vector is equal to I plus j plus k. Done, beta. The scalar product of the vector I plus j plus k with a unit vector with a unit vector with a unit vector along the sum of along the sum of along the sum of the vector along the sum of the vector along the sum of the vectors. Now beta, b vector is written as 2i plus 4j minus 5k, and c vector is written as lambda I plus 2j plus 3k. Okay, is equal to 1. What they have given is equal to 1. Done. They have given this part. Find the value of lambda. Find the value of lambda. This you have to find. Find the value of lambda and hence find the and hence find the unit vector along b vector plus bc vector, and hence find the unit vector along b vector plus c vector. So this is what you have to find. Come on, start. Shoot me. Solve this. I'm moving. Better I will move this. This question came CBSE 2014, old and gold question. Try this question. The unit vector along b vector plus c vector. Rohit, what happened? The unit vector along b vector plus c vector. Try out this question, solve it. Lip is cleaning. Shall I solve the question, please? Huh? Can I try? Now look at how to solve this question. If you are solving this question, what is given to you? What and all given things are there? First, we are going to utilize that. The given things are, first they have given a vector. What is the a vector given here, beta? In solution section, first we need to check what is a vector. A vector is given as I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Now what is b vector given to you? B vector is given as 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap. Done. Now what is C vector? C vector is lambda I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector. So these three bosses are given 1, 2, 3. So these three things are given to you. After that, what they are telling that find the vector, find the value, and hence find the unit vector along b vector plus c vector. So let this is the unit vector along b vector plus c vector. Done na beta. So unit vector along b vector and c vector. They have given na unit vector along b vector and c vector. They have written unit vector along b vector and c vector. So beta, what is the speciality of unit vector along b vector plus c vector? That is, say, R is the unit vector. They told now find the value and hence the unit vector along b vector and c vector. So we are going to find the dot product of unit vector along b vector plus c vector. So R is what? Unit vector given now. R is what? Unit vector. So if R is unit vector given, so R is unit vector. So first we will find b vector plus c vector. After that we will do any other thing. So first find b vector plus c vector. What is b vector plus c vector? 2i plus 4j minus 5k plus c vector is part beta lambda I plus 2j plus 3k. So how much it is coming beta? It is coming 2 plus lambda I plus 6j minus 2k. So this is b vector plus c vector. So R vector, unit vector along b vector and c vector. So this vector along b vector plus c vector will be R unit vector is equal to b vector plus c vector by magnitude of b vector plus c vector. Note down. So this is unit vector along written now. So unit vector along means this will be coming vector by modulus of that. So what is the vector given beta here? 2 plus lambda I plus 6j minus 2k, and down it will become root under beta 2 plus lambda whole square plus 6 square plus minus 2 whole square. Is it done till here? Now the next part what they are telling. Okay, note down. After that next part what they are telling. Write down first. They told that, now we will go for this section. Please children, the scalar product of a vector, this with a unit vector along the sum is equal to 1. What they told? The scalar product of a vector, this with a unit vector. What unit vector we have taken? This. So scalar product of a vector with unit vector along the sum of the vector is equal to 1. Done? So beta, what is a vector value? I plus j plus k. Dot product of r vector value? 2 plus lambda I plus 6j minus 2k, that will be equal to 1, and denominator part is 2 plus lambda whole square plus 36 plus 4. Now only battle starts. So now look here, multiplication, this will multiply with this, what it will become beta? 2 plus lambda. J will multiply with this, it will become 6. K will multiply with minus 2, so it will become minus 2 is equal to root under 2 plus lambda whole square plus 40. Done here? Now beta here it will come lambda plus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled. It will become lambda plus 6 equal to, here it will come 4 plus lambda square plus 2 to the 4 lambda plus 40. Now beta we will square both sides. Then what it will become? Lambda square plus 36 plus 12 lambda equal to lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. Lambda square and lambda square cancelled. So now lambda value it is coming. What is the value of lambda coming? Come on, check. So it is coming as 12 lambda minus 4 lambda is equal to 44 minus 36. So how much it is coming, beta? 8 lambda is equal to 14 minus 6 will go. How much it is coming? 8. So lambda is coming as 1. What is the value of lambda? The value of lambda is coming as 1. So 100% once lambda will come as 1, then r vector along, what is the value of r? This is the r vector value now. So we need to now substitute lambda is equal to 1 to get the unit vector, because they told find the value of unit vector. So r vector coming is equal to, here it will come 2 plus 1, 3i plus 6j minus 12k, and here it is coming as 2 plus 3. How much value it will come? 3, 2 plus 1, 3 square. 3 square means coming as what? 9 plus 36 plus 4. So it will come 1 by 49. Na? So 49 means 1 by 7, 3i plus 6j minus 12k. Eureka, eureka, solved. Unit vector. Done. Nothing was there in that question. Did you understood? So these questions are KEPA questions. Seriously, they will be taking your most of the time when you are getting this type of questions. Hmm. Hmm. It is already 100% zoomed down. So not coming. Can I shift it down? Hmm. No down. Nothing. Celebration time. Nothing yet, just solving question. One NCRT question we are going to solve. Write this question, beta. This question is NCRT question, and 5 times it came in board exam. Okay. First, you finish this one. I'm waiting. Okay, children are writing, so I'm waiting. So since everybody is writing, I'm waiting, beta. Mutually perpendicular. Till then, I can write this. Are mutually perpendicular vectors of equal magnitude. Prove that. What you need to prove here is equally inclined A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equally inclined with vectors A vector, B vector and C vector. Also find the angle. Wow. Also find the angle. That's the secondary part, but the first part is this one. We need to be very carefully solving this question. This is not a small question. This is a seriously important question we need to find. So definitely equal inclined means they will subtend some, the magnitude will have some value. So we don't know. So we can say, because here most important thing what is given, that equal inclination part is given. We need to solve it perfectly. Now look here, beta. Shall I start solving this one done now? First write down the question. Now please note down, this is most important sections. So now first work what we are going to do, beta, we will assume, because these vectors are equally inclined now. So let's talk about their modulus. So this vector is equal to this vector is equal to modulus of this will have some value, take it as lambda say. Now they are mutually perpendicular, and they have also told that A vector, B vector and C vector are mutually perpendicular. They are mutually perpendicular. So what is the meaning of mutual perpendicular? A vector dot B vector is equal to B vector dot C vector is equal to A vector dot C vector will be equal to 0. The dot product of all these vectors will become equal to 0. This is the most important point. Now next section, what they have given beta, they are equally inclined. They are equally inclined. So inclination sections means inclined means with A vector, B vector and C vector. So some part we have to somewhere, some part we have to check. We already know this content. We know that if we will take like P vector magnitude is equal to P vector dot P vector. We know na, correct na? So first we will start with this. So this formula already we know. That is magnitude of P square means P vector dot P vector. So here we are going to use this concept only. So we will take magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector whole square. Then what it will become beta? A vector plus B vector plus C vector, and here A vector plus B vector plus C vector. So dot product we will find A vector dot A vector plus A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector plus B vector dot A vector plus B vector dot B vector plus B vector dot C vector, and then plus C vector dot A vector plus C vector dot B vector plus C vector dot C vector. So here one thing we must know that all are perpendicular. So since the case of perpendicular is there, so this what we can write, this plus this whole square, this one and this one will not be, but rest of them will become equal to 0. This rest of them will become what? Equal to 0. So 0 section will be coming. So what will be left? This part will become magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus magnitude of C square. Done. And beta everything was equal to lambda. So here A vector plus B vector modulus plus C vector whole square is equal to, we assumed na, this equal to this equal to this equal to lambda. Magnitude of all the three vector is equal to lambda we have taken beta. So this part will become lambda square plus lambda square plus lambda square. So it will become 3 lambda whole square. So what is the final conclusion we have taken? Final part is coming as what? If we are removing the square, what is the answer coming? Magnitude of A vector plus magnitude of B vector plus magnitude of C vector is equal to root 3 lambda. Got it? Now they are making some angles. Equal angles, we remember what they told, A vector plus B vector plus C vector is making equal angle with A vector, B vector and C vector. So the second part of the question, what they are telling? They are telling a very important thing. They are saying that, till here written na, because here this question is this one, this part is given. Now we have just proved this one, so we are going to write that since it is given that equal inclination na, so A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equally inclined na, is equally inclined. It is equally inclined with A vector, B vector and C vector. This is equally inclined means angles will be equally inclined with A vector, B vector and C vector. So beta if they are equally inclined, then angle will be same na, angle will be same. So here if this and this angle, so A vector plus B vector plus C vector dot A vector will have same angle. Angle between this, angle between A vector plus B vector plus C vector dot B vector and angle between this will all be, can we take that angle as theta, because equal inclination is given. So since equal inclination is given, then angle will remain equal only na beta. Theta 1 will be equal to theta 2 will be equal to theta 3. So if we take different angle also, we will say with this one, dot product of this, they are making theta 1 angle. Then dot product of this, they are making theta 2 angle. Dot product of this, they are making theta 3 angle. But overall, what is the part? They told that equal inclination. So theta 1 is equal to theta 2 is equal to theta 3. So directly I said it is theta. Did I did any crime? No, I did not did any crime. I told inclination angle is same. So let the inclination angle be theta for all the three cases. Theta 1, theta 2, theta 3. See, this dot, this one way it will meet. Then what? Dot product of this with this angle will come as theta. Correct now? Now let's check this one out. We'll solve this one. It is coming directly, it is written. So what is exactly the value given, beta? What is exactly the value given? Can you tell me? So here angle they are asking. What they are asking? Angle. So we know this one now. That angle between two vector formula is what? Cos theta 1. If they are making what angle? Theta 1. For your case I am writing. Then A vector dot A vector plus B vector plus C vector by magnitude of A vector, and then what? Magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Can we write like this? Done? Correct now. Now what is exactly given, beta? Can you tell me one thing? This part, A by magnitude of, this part will become A vector dot A vector plus A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector by magnitude of A vector by this plus this plus this. So beta, this part, this two will become 0. Now magnitude of this one will become what? Magnitude of A vector whole square by magnitude of A vector. Now magnitude of A vector plus magnitude of B vector plus magnitude of C vector. Done? Huh? So square and that magnitude part will get cancelled. This square and this magnitude part will get cancelled. Correct? So A vector magnitude by this part is coming. Done na? A vector by magnitude this part is coming. See, A vector by, no need na, it is getting cancelled na yaar, it is getting cancelled. Now you see, A vector you have taken as lambda. This value is coming as root 3 lambda. This and this got cancelled. So cos theta 1 is coming as what? 1 by root 3. Equal inclination means again same case will come for cos theta 2. For cos theta 2 it will become B vector dot A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Done? By what it is coming as? A vector plus B vector plus C vector by magnitude of B vector, and then magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Again this multiplying B vector A vector will become 0. B vector dot B vector only will be left. B vector dot C vector will become 0. Now what left is this one. Same case will come here. You check. So this will become magnitude of B vector whole square by magnitude of B vector, then magnitude of A vector plus B vector plus C vector. This square and this square will get cancelled. This is for cos theta 2 I am finding. So this part is lambda and this part is root 3 lambda, cancel. So cos theta 2 value is also coming as root 3, 1 by root 3. Now equal inclination is coming or not? It is coming directly. So if cos theta 3 also you will find cos theta 3 is also coming as 1 by root 3. So that means here cos inverse. So theta 1 is equal to theta 2 is equal to theta 3. Equal inclination is coming. Equal inclination is coming. Equally inclined. Equally inclined. That's it. So this is exactly coming as equal inclination now. They have given, we have to prove that equal inclination. So theta 1, what we have proved, theta 1 is equal to theta 2 is equal to theta 3. All three are exactly coming as same. If you will get the last part also, you will get the same answer. Come on. I hope this is done. So that's what they told to prove. Now we proved it. No doubt. This is what I started with. I took from here. Question you have written means this part you will understand. Good evening. Is it done till here? Written? Note down, take your time, take the screenshot or take the shot. So this will be exactly making theta. We have to prove this one only, na? This is making angle theta. So all are equal to theta. Proved. Correct? So that's it for today. Note down. Bye everyone.